Do you know many people are having trouble with error code 3 on their Taylor 578,040,733 FW scale? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Identify error code. Error code 3 on the Taylor 578,040,733 FW scale means there are interference issues affecting the scale's performance. Step 2. Reorient antenna. To fix it, try reorienting or relocating the scale's receiving antenna. Step 3. Increase distance. You can also increase the distance between the scale and any equipment causing interference. Step 4. Use different outlet. Another option is to connect the scale to a different electrical outlet on a separate circuit. By following these steps, your Taylor 578,040,733 FW scale should be back to functioning properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Taylor users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.